So if you're an investor, this AI automation is an absolute game changer. I built this workflow out in N8N and it can read and evaluate over 1,000 stock pitches for you. So it's triggered whenever you add a new file to a Google Drive folder. So I have a stock pitches folder in Google Drive. So whenever I add a document in there that has a list of stock pitches, this will trigger the workflow. And this N8N automation will download that file, split out all of these stock pitches, and then send that to OpenAI to evaluate each stock pitch. And after going through the OpenAI step, it will output a bunch of data, including the ticker, the company name, the full text of the stock pitch, a brief summary, and it'll also evaluate the stock pitch on a number of categories, including valuation, durability of the business, predictability of the financials, management quality, capital allocation, and it will give you a score 1 to 10, 10 being the best on each one of those categories, and it'll also give you a total score at the end as well. And all of that data will be added to a row in Google Sheets. So basically you can have AI read hundreds of stock pitches for you and identify which stock pitches are the best. And then the prompt for the OpenAI step, you can modify based on your own investment considerations and strategy. Personally, I'm a value investor, so I might emphasize more of valuation and other factors like that, but you can play around with it any way you want. And what will happen is it will loop through those steps in batches until every stock pitch in the document has been analyzed and added to the Google Sheet. Let me know what you guys think of this. I think this is an absolute game changer for anyone that likes to pick stocks and happens to read a lot of stock pitches as one of their ways to source investment ideas. If you want to learn more about AI, make sure to follow for more.